Welcome! We're so glad you're getting your introduction to the Speaking Center. Public speaking to practice communication will definitely be a part of your academic life at the University of Mary Washington. We can help you with that journey. To give you a rundown on all things SPKC and what you can expect from us, this presentation will cover what the Speaking Center is, who is involved, what services we offer, and how to book an appointment. Let's begin. The Speaking Center is a university resource here to help. Our goal is to meet all your oral communication needs. Of course, this can be a presentation, class discussion, or group project, but it could also be for something less obvious. We can help you prepare for interviews, create well-designed visual aids, develop better communication skills, and much more. If you have something more unconventional not listed here, but you think we might be able to assist you with, we'd love a challenge. Just contact us and we'll see what we can do. We're usually open during business hours to support you. Check our webpage for specific hours. Later in this presentation, I'll show you how to see what appointment times are available through EAB so you can book an appointment yourself. The Speaking Center is located on the 4th floor of the Hurley Convergence Center in HCC 437. We share the suite with the Writing Center, so after entering the big glass doors, turn right, and you'll be on the Speaking Center side. Or, just ask the front desk, and we'll be able to get you right where you need to be. The Speaking Center is primarily for consultations, but you can also make an appointment to use our technology. We have cameras in every room so that you can use to record yourself with. We also have an Oculus Rift, and we're working on a program where you could practice your presentation in front of a simulated audience to better help overcome stage fright. How cool is that? So, who is involved with the SPKC? Who are the consultants? And who actually goes to appointments? We have a great staff of professionals, but all our consultants are students, just like you. And that's our purpose. We've been there. We will never laugh at you or roast you for saying like or for being unprepared. Our goal is not to make you feel judged. Really, genuinely, we just want to help you out, and we've received special training that makes us able to do so. I promise, we're not that intimidating. As students, because of the honor code, we're not able to actually compose any part of your presentation, or do the research for you. Come in expecting to meet us halfway there with the ideas, not wanting us to do your work. We just give critiques and advice for you to use as you please. So, great. We might be all clear about how students are consultants, but there's still kind of a misconception about who goes to the Speaking Center. The Speaking Center is not just for people who are scared of public speaking. Of course, a lot of people do fear presenting, and that's important. We have a lot of experience helping with that. But anyone can benefit from going to the SPKC. At the very, very least, booking an appointment with the Speaking Center is promising yourself that you'll set a little time aside to practice so that your final presentation isn't your first run-through. Anyone's speech will improve because of that alone. And if that's not enough to convince you, it might help to remind you that costs for the Speaking Center's operation are paid for by your tuition, so get your money's worth by coming to an appointment. What kind of appointment, you ask? Well, as we go back this fall of 2020, most of our consultations will be online. However, as the situation warrants it, face-to-face consultations will have limited availability by appointment. As well, they will be full of mitigation tactics such as mask wearing and social distancing to best protect you and our staff. Booking an appointment online gives you the option of having either a 30-minute or 60-minute consultation. You book this appointment with the consultant and they will email you with a Zoom link for you to meet during that scheduled time. There online, it will be just like a normal appointment. You can run through your presentation, ask questions, or do whatever else you need to do to help improve your presentation. You also do not need to have a full presentation created when you attend your Speaking Center consultation. We can help you brainstorm ideas, put together an outline so you have some direction for the rest of your speech, or anything else that you need. Our mission is to meet you where you are, even if you haven't done any work yet. Whatever the appointment, please arrive on time. You won't be held so strictly to the end of your consultation, however. You'll be allowed to leave whenever the consultation wraps up naturally, even if the official booking still says there's 40 minutes left. Letting you stay past the time you're scheduled to is up to the individual consultant's discretion. Whenever possible, we try to let you finish everything you need, but this can't be helped if your consultant has another appointment immediately after you, or one of you has a class you have to get to. If you think timing will be close, it's better to book for longer than you need, rather than err on the side of your consultation being too short. If you feel you need more than 1 hour, you would have to schedule a separate consultation the following time slot, and depending on how our consultant's hours are laid out, it might not be with the same person. I assume by now that you're totally sold and raring to use the Speaking Center. Now, let's show you how. First, go to UMW's website. In the menu bar to the right, you should see an icon that says EAB Tools. Once you click that, it should show you 2 links. Click the one on the right under Navigate. You may have to log in with your UMW credentials first. After that, click the big blue button on the right that says Schedule an Appointment. It'll first give you a prompt, what type of appointment would you like to schedule? Through the drag and drop menu, select Tutoring and Academic Services. This reveals a second prompt. To help you find a time, please tell us why you'd like to see someone. For this one, select Speaking Center Appointment. There are a lot of other wonderful university resources available for you to meet with, but for our purposes, please select Speaking Center Appointment. Once we've done that, we get a third prompt asking to choose from the following options. In this drop-down are all of the appointment types. With our current pandemic, some of the appointment types will be different than during normal operation. This might require planning ahead a little, but simply call or email us if you need help determining the best appointment type for you. Here's another secret for you though. It doesn't matter what appointment type you click. Your consultant will ask you the details about your presentation during your meeting together, and if you accidentally clicked Papers to Presentations when you meant to click Presentation Practice, just say so, and your consultant will adjust it for you. You can proceed from there. After clicking Next, it will ask you what location you prefer. This one's easy. There's only one option, Speaking Center. At this point, the next question asked is who you would like to meet with. If you have someone specific you would like to talk to, like your friend, you can find their name in the drop-down. Otherwise, if it doesn't matter to you, just click Next. It then shows you all the open times you can make an appointment for through till the end of the semester. You can book an appointment as far out as you want, and we recommend it. Things aren't too busy for us in the beginning, but by finals, we end up being pretty full. The sooner you book, the better. After you select the time best for you, click Next again. EAB is automatically set up to send you an email reminder 24 hours before the appointment, as well as a text reminder 1 hour before, but you can uncheck to opt out of that. You can also leave a comment about the details of your presentation and the goals of the appointment you're booking. We encourage you to do so, but it is optional. Then hit Confirm Appointment, and you're all done. Congratulations! You just set up your first consultation with the Speaking Center. If for whatever reason you have to cancel a Speaking Center appointment, repeat the steps from the previous video to get to EAB's homepage. Then click the Calendar tab off of the homepage. Locate the date and time of your appointment and then click on it. If you forgot, a confirmation email should have been sent to you that tells you the time of your booking. In the bottom left-hand corner, there should be a button to Cancel Appointment. Cancel the entire appointment, unless you are with other group members who can make that time. EAB makes you select a reason, but feel free to choose anything. You can leave a comment as well if you'd like, but I promise, we don't take it personally. Click Mark as Cancelled, and the deed is done. We get it, people's plans change, but it is important and highly encouraged that you cancel an appointment as soon as you realize it won't work out. That way, the space is freed up for someone else. It also really sucks when someone seeks a last-minute appointment and we turn them away because we're expecting someone only for that person not to show up. We know you won't be that guy. But congratulations! Now you know all the ins and outs of the Speaking Center. We look forward to seeing you there. If you would like more information or have any questions, you are encouraged to contact the Speaking Center directly at spkc@umw.edu or bit.ly/umw.spkc. Thank you for watching! I'm Petra, a consultant at the Speaking Center, and be sure to leave a like and smash that subscribe button.